How to unzip files on iPhone. In this video, I will show you how you can unzip files and extract file contents without use of third-party apps. iPhone has built-in feature with which you can easily unzip files. First, open Files app on your iPhone. Now go to the location where your zip file is located. So this is the zip file that I want to extract. Just tap on the zip file and the file will unzip. As you can see, this has created a new folder. If I open the folder, here are the files from the zip that we just extracted. So that is how you can unzip files on iPhone without third-party apps. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.